If you've ever felt that you're not making as much financial progress as you'd like, don't worry, your wealth will grow really fast because it picks up speed quickly. The snowball effect is similar to a snowball gathering momentum as it rolls down a slope, analogous to ordinary individuals advancing along their financial path of building wealth and pursuing financial independence. This journey produces a compounding effect, resulting in exponential wealth increase, which is wonderful news for everyone who believes they aren't making enough progress. Examine the important factors that influence wealth growth. Welcome to Cashflow Canvas, where we teach lessons about investment and money-saving techniques. If you want to make your financial future better, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. Why you can expect the money accumulation snowball effect. Individuals will make 10 times more money per year in many cases in the future. These people develop in their jobs, and increasing income can act as a potent accelerator, driving wealth accumulation. Initially, in your career, your income is usually entry-level and modest. As a result, most of the income is spent on necessities, such as rent, food, clothing, and transportation. As your earnings rise, you will be able to devote a bigger amount of your income to savings and investments. In other words, your disposable income will rise. Individuals with rising incomes can take advantage of larger investment opportunities and explore higher-yielding, riskier assets. This increased investment capability, combined with the likelihood of higher returns, might hasten the accumulation of wealth. Furthermore, growing income may give individuals the resources to pay off debts more quickly, lowering interest payments and freeing up more funds for investments. Smart spending requires practice and might be challenging for individuals who have never done it. Adopting wise spending habits positions individuals to manage their finances better and maximize their savings potential. Balancing needs and wants and prioritizing key spending frees up more resources for savings and investments. Careful spending also involves being mindful of unnecessary expenses to find cost-effective alternatives without compromising quality or comfort. Prudent spending cultivates the financial responsibility mindset by encouraging consistent saving and investing rather than indulging in impulse purchases. Knowing where to spend more and where to cut back results in more happiness from every dollar spent. This prudent spending strategy lays the groundwork for faster asset building, paving the road for long-term success, financial prosperity, and stability. Financial literacy is vital for achieving faster wealth growth. Equipping people with the knowledge and skills needed to make sound decisions about money management, budgeting, investing, and debt management leads to improved finances by eliminating unnecessary expenditure and boosting savings, as well as debt reduction. Greater success comes from understanding what works and what doesn't. Financially savvy individuals can capitalize on opportunities with larger potential benefits. Financial literacy encourages long-term financial planning, setting specific goals, and staying focused on achieving them. People become more disciplined in their financial practices, avoiding hasty judgments that may hinder wealth accumulation. Financial literacy knowledge transforms into a powerful weapon that accelerates wealth building and opens the route for a financially prosperous future. Owning property often has a significant impact on long-term wealth building. Property appreciation is one reason why homeowners are statistically significantly better off financially. Real estate values tend to improve over time, allowing homeowners to profit from capital appreciation. When leveraged through a mortgage, home appreciation delivers an unparalleled return on investment. For instance, buying a $400,000 property with a 10% down payment or $40,000 and the home rising by 3% results in a $12,000 rise in 1 year, providing a 30% return on investment. This generates equity gains accessible through refinancing or selling the property. Homeownership enables individuals to build equity through mortgage payments. As the homeowner pays down the mortgage principal, their ownership part in the property grows, contributing to equity that can be leveraged for other investments or saved for future financial needs. In addition to the potential benefits of homeownership, it provides stability and security by eliminating the worry of fluctuating rents. Homeownership is associated with stable housing prices, providing a sense of security. Financial security and predictability enable faster money building over time. Unlike renting, where landlords may raise rent at each lease term's conclusion, homeowners with fixed-rate mortgages have regular monthly mortgage payments for the loan's life. This consistency aids successful budgeting as their money grows. Apart from repairs, homeowners know how much to set aside each month for housing bills. While property taxes and insurance may vary, they tend to change gradually, allowing homeowners to better plan and manage their finances. Additionally, if the cost of living increases over time, homeownership acts as a hedge against rising housing costs. Because mortgage payments remain constant in nominal terms, homeownership eventually provides individuals and families with financial predictability and peace of mind. With consistent housing expenses and marginal increases year after year, people have greater disposable income, contributing to wealth accumulation as they age. Established individuals are more inclined to marry, which can be incredibly beneficial for wealth accumulation. A like-minded partner can significantly increase wealth and establish long-term financial success. Partners with similar financial beliefs, goals, and tactics collaborate effectively to achieve a common goal. Their dedication leads to disciplined savings, sensible investment decisions, and the ability to avoid avoidable costs. Their combined efforts boost potential earnings, investments, and advancement opportunities with mutual support, fostering larger investments as their resources grow. Profitable ventures are powered by the synergy of a like-minded spouse. The snowball effect accelerates wealth building and paves the route for a prosperous financial future. Compound interest is one of the most fundamental factors contributing to the wealth snowball effect. When money is invested and produces interest, the profits are reinvested, earning even more income over time. Compound interest on the initial investment and accumulated interest continues to compound, resulting in exponential growth. The longer money is invested, the greater the impact of compound interest. Interest becomes significantly more significant with each compounding period, leading to enormous growth over time. For example, investing $10,000 at a 10% return gains $1,000. Investing $100,000 gains $10,000. The rise is mind-boggling after several years or decades. The significance of smart investments and continuous learning about compound interest is demonstrated by the snowball effect of wealth creation over time. Financial knowledge, real estate investment, and career advancement are essential factors contributing to faster wealth accumulation. Combining these elements results in surprising wealth accumulation. As we conclude, I'd like to thank you for watching. I hope you found value in this video and learned something new, and I look forward to seeing you in our future videos. I would deeply value it if you could like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support will help us to create more valuable content, and we can work together to secure your financial future. What are the key takeaways from this video that you can share in the comment section?